Hey, what is up everybody? So Samsung recently pushed out an update for its gallery application on the Galaxy Store. So what's new with this update? It is basically a new feature added to the gallery application. Here in the changelog we can see the new version of the gallery app is 12.1.06.7, and here in what's new they have added remaster picture feature for desired photos. Now you can enhance your photos with the help of AI using this feature, and I'm going to demonstrate that feature right now. Opening up the gallery application, just select any desired photo. Now you have to click the three dots present at the bottom and tap on remaster picture. Now the AI is analyzing and remastering the photo. It is trying the best possible way to make the picture clear, blur free, and it also enhances the details in a photo. After the process has completed, it has created two segments, one is before and the other one is after. In the after section you can see it has increased the darkness in those areas that should be dark, making the picture more clear, vibrant, and in the same way it has increased the sharpness of the image, but not too much that the image looks bad. In the same way, if I try to capture an image and my hand shakes up during the process, as it often happens with a lot of us, it will take a blurred photo. Now if I try to remaster the image, let's see what happens. So it has made it a bit more vibrant. The blur is present there, but I think so it has increased the sharpness a bit to overcome the blurriness of the photo. It can be helpful in a lot of ways. For example, in short amount of time you want to make your picture quality better without going into details of editing like highlights, shadows, etc. So in my opinion, this was a nice update for the gallery app. Do let me know in the comment section what do you think about it and whether or not you will use this feature. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.